Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you are new, if this is your first video that you're watching, be sure to subscribe, share it, turn on the post notifications. I'll be doing a goddess lock tutorial for you guys because your girl really did her thing with these. Cream of Nature Pure Honey Leave-In Conditioner and Edge Control, nail glue, black castor oil or any other moisturizer, water just in case, crochet needle, Freetress Deep Twist hair, and Jamaican braid hair. So this is the piece of hair that I have left out. I'm gonna take pump or two. But you can use whatever moisturizer conditioner you want to use. A lot of people use shea butter or coconut oil or whatever you want, you know. You could also add just a splash with, you know, of moisture to your hair. Break that through. I didn't put too much water on it because I don't want it to be like wet, you know. Then make sure you get all that moisture in there. Especially if you plan on keeping it in your hair for a long time, definitely take the time to make sure that your hair is sealed with a lot of moisture so it doesn't get dry under there. And next, y'all look at this. Look at this. We all good. We all good. Come through. Just take a good piece of that, split that in two, like this here, you know what I'm saying? So you have your two, you got your two sides, boom, here we go, line it up like this. So you got one, whoo child, words, they just, I don't know, okay. So you have one side that is with two, put your finger in between it like this. So you're separating it so you have, you know, you can split it for your three pieces for your hair. So here we go. Latch it on there however best you can. What I will say, try your best to not do it all the way to the root, else you're gonna be looking at me hurting, okay? Cause I mean, don't get me wrong, they look really good, but they also were hurting my head a little bit because of how I didn't do the braid tight, but I did it close to the root. And when you're wrapping, you're gonna realize that this junk hurt, and it's because of how close it is to the root. So if you do it a little bit looser or a little bit further away, if you do it like right here, put your braid here, by the time you finish twisting, it's gonna end up right there, and that way it's not gonna have as much tension on your scalp, okay? So just be mindful of that. It's okay to be a little rough with it, because anyway, the rougher you are, the more natural it'll look, honestly, because it's gonna like your wave will still be there in the curl, but it's not gonna be as tight or pretty looking. And that's how I like mine to look. Like, I like them to look neat, but I'm excited for them to start getting old, so they can start looking more realistic. But they do look pretty real now. Like, you really can't tell me these ain't mine, that they ain't come out the scalp. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you really could, but still, they look really nice. So shout out to me. And I only braid it down to the end of my natural hair because you're gonna be here forever. If you actually braid it all the way out, there's really no point of doing that. really no point. So, well, really my hair stopped about right there, but you know, you get the point. You see that? How it's not all the way on the root that way. Once I start wrapping it, it's not gonna be as tight on my root and hurt my head. Cause the last 2 days, my head been on fire. Okay? So, you can see the difference. You know what I'm saying? It's going in real smooth and whatnot. But you can see the difference. So, what I usually do is have this shorter piece all the way down to the end of my natural hair. You can do it however you want to though, right? So, let's start wrapping. What you want to do is make sure that you are getting it all the way to the root, right? So you're gonna wrap a few times. And the key to nice wrapping is keeping your fingers as close as possible together, right? So even as you go down, try to keep your, well, then if you want them neat, let me say that. If you want them neat, keep your spacing together. And you will have to push up from time to time just to make sure that there's no gaps in it. See? You see how it's still on my root, but it's not tight. It's not that much tension. It's not touching my scalp like that, so it's not gonna hurt. So you just keep on wrapping. So now that we're getting down towards the end of this piece of hair, dang, what I'm gonna do is, okay, let it go. It's not gonna go nowhere. What I'm gonna do is add another piece of hair. Keep in mind that you can change, like you can add more hair to give you a more full look, a thicker dread, however you desire. My parts are pretty small, so I didn't want them to be too big or too heavy, and I didn't want to put that much strain on my hair, especially on the edges, y'all. Gotta protect the edges, okay? So just be mindful of that when you are parting, or if you decide to try out this hairstyle. Just keep in mind the like the weight of the dread or the tension, you know what I'm saying, like in comparison to your part. You don't want to put like 5-6 pieces on a piece that's this small, you know what I'm saying? Like, sis, your edges, you know what I'm saying? Like, we're growing back edges in 2019, okay? The edge struggle will be no more, okay? I speak that into your life, sis, okay? Your edges will come back. They will. Mine did. Or it's on the way, at least. Okay. So, I still have this much left on my hair. And I don't necessarily like too much of the curly part. This is pretty much the most that I've probably ever done. I feel like the first time I did it, I might have had like literally this much showing, but so this is the end right here. Well, let's keep wrapping out a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this piece and I'm gonna pretty much drop it down to the part where I actually want this hair to stop, right? But I'm gonna continue to wrap over what I did previously on the last one, so it looks seamless. Okay, so now we're at a point where we got these 2 pieces. This is Jamaican braiding hair, this is Jamaican braiding hair. What I'm gonna do is take one piece, flip it up my hair, and take the other piece and start wrapping it back up my hair also. And then really you can just combine the 2 of them like this. now this is the fun part. Take your nail glue, bam, bam, and just give it like a good little dot, you know what I'm saying? Bam, wrap it around, then hit it with that. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and come on back. Make sure you set your reminder. Love you guys.